Today is Thursday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Hey everyone, welcome back to day 4 of our self talk series. Over the last few days, we've learned how to practice positive self talk for ourselves, catching negative thoughts, replacing them with positive ones, and using them in challenging situations. But today, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to talk about how you can help others practice positive self talk too. Sometimes we notice that our friends or classmates might be having negative thoughts. Maybe they say something like, I'm terrible at this, or I'll never be good enough. Just like we've been learning to change our own self talk, we can help others flip their negative thoughts too. So, how can you help someone else with their self talk? There are 3 steps. Step 1, listen. Pay attention to what they're saying, especially if they sound upset or frustrated. Step 2, encourage. Remind them that everyone has tough days and that they're not alone. Step 3, share positive self-talk. You can show them how to turn their negative thoughts into something positive, just like we've been practicing. Let's say your friend is struggling with a class assignment and says, I'll never get this right. You could respond by saying something like, you're doing your best and you can always ask for help if you need it. Helping others with positive self-talk can really boost their confidence. And guess what? When you encourage someone else with positive self-talk, it doesn't just help them, it makes you feel good too. Being kind and supportive to others builds stronger friendships and a more positive environment for everyone. Think about how great it feels when someone believes in you or says something encouraging. By spreading positive self-talk, you're helping create a community where everyone feels supported and more confident. So, here's your challenge for today. Spread positive self-talk. Next time you hear a friend or classmate saying something negative about themselves, try encouraging them with a positive response. You never know how much your words might lift someone up. Before we go, let's circle up again with 2 questions to help you think about how you can share positive self-talk with others. For grades K through 5, your question is, what's something positive you can say to a friend who feels upset or frustrated? And for grades 6 through 12, your question is, how can you use positive self-talk to support someone else, and how do you think it will impact them? This is a great place to pause, and with that said, I have one final encouraging set of words to say. Great job today, everyone. Remember, positive self-talk isn't just for you. It's something you can share with others to help them feel stronger and more confident too. Keep spreading that positivity, and I'll see you next time.